Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing an unboxing with you guys. I was on the hunt for a handbag. And I've got all types of designer handbags already in my closet, but I was looking for something a little bit unique, right? I wanted something that was different than the norm. I didn't want the normal Louis bag. I already have one of those. I wasn't really interested in getting another bum bag. I have one of those. I've got all the different designer names that you could think of. I've got Fendi, I've got Michael Kors, what's some of the others? I mean, you name it, I've got a bag in my closet that has that brand on it. But I wanted something a little different. So, of course, I was on social media just perusing around as I always do, and I came across one of the most unique bags that I have come across in a long time. And this bag is from LaFlore, Paris, and it's called the Bobo bark bag. So this bag is unique to me in all aspects of handbags, you guys. So I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys while I'm giving you more information on LaFlore Paris and the bag that I've purchased. And maybe it will encourage you to go out and take a look at their website because they've got other styles of bags. All of them I feel are very unique. And if you don't want to walk around looking like you're carrying the same bag that everyone else has, then LaFlore Paris, I'm sure it's going to have something for you. But first I want to give you a little bit of background about LaFlore Paris and then also give you a little bit more detail about the actual Bobo bark bag. The LaFlore Paris bags are made in Portugal. All of the bags are handmade and the lining of the bags is made from recycled cotton. LaFlore Paris has a global team of artisans and workshops who have been pioneering innovations in eco-friendly and sustainable craftsmanship. The Bobo bark bag that I'm about to show you is a vegan backpack purse made from premium cork skin that is collected and polished until the texture is soft and supple as leather. This organic cork material is 3 times lighter than traditional leather, which allows for added comfort. It is durable, it's strong, and it's completely waterproof. That information alone really caught my eye because I want something that's durable. I want to not have to be afraid of getting caught in the rain because I don't want my bag to be stained with raindrops, right? I want something that's going to be functional and something that's going to be durable. So having a bag made from the cork material was really interesting too. So some of the benefits of a cork bag is its elasticity, which means it retains its shape, and its honeycomb cell structure makes it water resistant, flame resistant, and hypoallergenic. It doesn't absorb dust and can be wiped clean with soap and water. So cork leather is very tough and durable. This organic cork material is 3 times lighter than traditional leather, which allows for added comfort. So the cork that's used to make the bag is harvested from Portugal, but the artisans that are actually putting this bag together and the craftsmanship is coming from LaFlore Paris. And I will say shipping for this bag was lightning fast. I placed my order like on a Wednesday. By Monday of the following week, it was at my door. So shipping was superb, very, very fast shipping. I ordered the Bobo bark, which can be carried as a backpack and or a purse. And I also ordered a matching wallet. This is the box that my order came in. It was packaged really, really well. And this is the wrapping that protected the wallet that I purchased. So this is what this wallet looks like. You can see that it does have a bit of texture in it, but I like that. I decided to order in the color black. You can get your Bobo bark bags and wallets in 4 different colors. There's black, there's green, there's a cognac shade, and there's also a red shade. But I decided to go with black, right? I thought that black would go with just about anything. And since this was my first time purchasing anything from LaFlore and purchasing any type of cork bag, I decided to keep it kind of safe and stick with the black. But the black is gorgeous. It's a matte black type of look. If you can see that, it has this really heavy duty clasp but here at the top. And look at the inside here. This is a cotton lining, and this is a bright orange shade of lining, but it's gorgeous to look at. It feels like quality. And inside of this wallet, I've got this zipper compartment. You can see that there, where I'll be able to keep whatever I want to keep down in there. I can keep change down in there if I'd like. I've also got another compartment here. There's a center compartment with another zipper. I can slide whatever I need right there in the center. And then on this side, I've also got some card slots. So this will be really nice for, you know, credit card, debit card, keep that right in there. But very, very nice, very sturdy. All of the bags coming from LaFlore focus on organization. And as you can see here, with this wallet, you really have got enough compartments, zippered pockets to really, you know, keep yourself organized. Also, there is a chain. I wasn't able to get the chain. It's a chain strap that you can order, and that would have allowed me to possibly be able to carry this as a small shoulder bag, or maybe even a crossbody bag if all I wanted to do was just carry this wallet. But the chain was out of stock. I'm going to be looking for that to come back in stock, because I really like the idea of being able to add a chain to this if I wanted to, you know, break it down and just carry something really small real quick. You know, if I'm making a mad dash outside the car, I don't want to carry my full bag. I can just, you know, carry this. I can either carry this as a clutch in my hand, or if I had the chain, I would also be able to carry it on my shoulder. But very, very nice. Again, quality is really good. I love this bright orange color. I love the fabric inside, the fact that it's cotton. It's going to be very durable. So this is what the wallet looks like. And now for the Bobo bark bag itself. It came in this dust bag. Very nice, very nice. So when I actually want to store my Bobo bark bag, I'll have this dust bag to place my Bobo bark into, to make sure that I'm keeping it as dust free, keeping it as in good condition as I possibly can. Even though, again, based upon the description, it sounds like the material, the cork material that this Bobo bark is made from, is going to be quite durable. But oh my gosh, are you ready for this? Look at this bag. So talk about unique. This is definitely a unique bag. It is a backpack. It's a handbag. You can also carry it as a shoulder bag, but it also is made of this cork material. It has that matte black finish. It feels good. It feels like quality. It feels like luxury. It also has the clasp. And the color theme is still the same in here. You can see it's got the orange inside. It came with these straps. I'll take out all the packaging. It's inside here. So this bag is deep. So it's, you can see this. It is very, very deep. And it's supposed to be able to hold a 15-inch laptop. So you have this compartment here, and inside, again, you've got a zipper compartment here. This unzips. You can see how that opens there. And then you've got compartments on either side here where you can hold whatever it is you need to carry. I'm going to be putting my wallet down in here. The wallet I just showed you guys, it's going to fit down in here. You've also got another zipper here on this side. So again, very nice. This is quite deep. Very nice there. And then you also have this little side compartment here where your cell phone can go. You can just slide your cell phone in there. So here's my cell phone. I can very easily just slide that in there, and I can zip it up. So my cell phone will be right there, easy for me to get to. And then also on the inside here, I told you that you could fit a laptop in here. So that's where this little Velcro strap comes into play. So if you un-Velcro that, you've got an open slot that goes all the way through here, right? And so this is where your iPad or your laptop can fit into this bag. I'm going to try that out right here. I've got my iPad here. This is a fairly large iPad that I have here. So I can slide it into this slide it into this bag like that. And notice that I've got this side zipper here. You can see that. There's a side zipper there. I can zip this up like that. It zips up. And so this way I'm carrying my iPad inside here. But if I wanted to get to my iPad without having to open up the clasp, I can do that by zipping it here on the side, and I can pull my iPad out from the side, which is so awesome because, you know, that means that every time that I want to get my iPad out of this bag, I don't have to open it up from the top and expose everything else that's inside. So this is such a nice bag. On the LaFlore Paris website, it states Bobo Bark features a clamshell clasp that opens 180 degrees for a wide and clear view into the bag. A large zippered pocket at the center acts as a divider for the tote's main compartment. We also added a padded laptop compartment suitable for a 15-inch laptop or smaller, accessible from both inside and outside of the bag, an easy access phone pocket, and a port built into the pockets for a cable so you can stay charged away from the home, office, or professional workspace. Oh, now that's interesting. So having this zipper here on the side also would allow you to be able to charge your laptop or iPad right here in the bag. You don't necessarily have to take it out to do that. So that's super nice. Very, very interesting. You guys, this is, in my opinion, this is that bag. This is that bag. When someone sees you carrying this, they're going to ask you, what is that? Because it's unique and it is definitely stylish. Again, I can see myself carrying this in all the ways that it's mentioned, to carry it as a tote, carrying it as a backpack, or carrying it as a shoulder bag. I think that it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. If you guys are not yet following me on Instagram, be sure to go over to Instagram and follow me there, because I am going to be taking some still shots or doing some photos with this bag. I'm going on vacation. This bag is going to go with me. It's going to be that time when I'm going to try it out, because I'm going to be carrying my iPad, iPhone, wallet, all the things that you need when you're traveling, I'm going to have in this bag. But I'll take pictures and post them to Instagram to show you guys how I styled this bag. So anyway, I just wanted to come to you guys with this quick unboxing. I was so excited about this and I wanted to share it with you. This Bobo Bark bag is not the only style of bag that LaFlore Paris has. They have various other styles of bags. It's made and sourced from the same cork material, just different style. So if this is not your flavor, I'm sure they've got something that is your flavor, and I'm telling you, it's going to be a really good buy, and it's something that's going to last you for a very long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.